Huberman Lab Podcast, episode 472, Mastering Ant Whispering for Optimal Brain Health. Welcome to the Huberman Lab Podcast, where we dive into the science of human performance, brain optimization, and today, something truly groundbreaking, how to listen to ants talk. I'm Dr. Andrew Huberman, Associate Professor of Neurobiology at Stanford University, and I'm here to share protocols that can transform your life, or at least your backyard. Now, you might be thinking, Andrew, ants don't talk, and I get it. That's what I thought too. Until I spent 72 hours in a controlled lab environment, surrounded by Argentine ants, fasting and yes, mildly sleep deprived, what I discovered is that ants do communicate. Not with words, obviously, that'd be ridiculous, but with a complex symphony of pheromones and microvibrations that your brain, with the right training, can absolutely decode. Let's break it down. Step 1, sensory calibration. To hear ants, you need to tune your auditory cortex to frequencies below 20 hertz. This is subsonic territory, folks. Start by lying face down in your backyard for 45 minutes daily, preferably at dawn when ant activity peaks. Place your ear directly on the soil. No headphones, no distractions. You're not listening yet, you're calibrating. Data from my lab shows that after 14 days, 87% of subjects report a heightened sensitivity to ground vibrations. One volunteer even detected a neighbor's sprinkler system. Anecdotal, but promising. Step 2, pheromone synchronization. Ants use chemical signals to coordinate everything. Food trails, colony defense, even gossip about rival colonies. To tap into this, you'll need to mimic their chemical environment. I recommend rubbing a mixture of sugar, syrup, and crushed lavender on your forearms twice daily. Why lavender? It's not about the ants, it's about calming your amygdala so you don't overreact when you start hearing them. Over time, your olfactory bulb will begin to parse these signals as meaningful patterns. Think of it as learning a new language, but instead of Spanish, it's ant. Step 3, cognitive integration. This is where it gets tricky. Your brain isn't wired to process ant communication without some neural rewiring. My protocol involves 20-minute sessions of binaural beats at 4 hertz, paired with visualizations of ant colonies. Picture a single ant carrying a crumb. Now zoom out. See the whole colony, the queen, the chaos? Hold that image. Data from rodent studies, not human mind you, but close enough, suggest this boosts cross-modal plasticity, letting your auditory and olfactory systems merge inputs into what I call ant perception. It's not hearing voices, it's more like knowing what the ants are up to. Now, some caveats. This protocol isn't FDA approved, and I've had to replace my backyard soil twice due to, let's call it overengagement. Side effects may include an urge to organize your kitchen cabinets or an irrational fear of anteaters. If you experience either, cut back to 15 minutes of soil lying per day. Why do this at all? Because understanding ants unlocks a primal layer of cognition most humans ignore. Imagine walking into a boardroom, knowing exactly what the colony is planning. Not because they told you, but because you heard it. That's leverage, that's optimization. For more on this, check out my new course, Ant Synapse Pro, launching next month. Use code Neuron for 10% off. Until then, keep your ears to the ground, literally. I'm Andrew Huberman, and I'll see you in the colony.